Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Databricks notebooks with exports and workspace backups, detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup Databricks notebooks, start by logging into your Databricks workspace. Navigate to the workspace where your notebooks are located. Locate the notebook you want to backup. Right-click on the notebook's name. Select the export option from the context menu. Choose the format in which you want to export the notebook, such as HTML or Jupyter. Download the exported notebook to your local device. Repeat this process for each notebook that you wish to backup. For backing up the entire workspace, go to the Admin settings. Select the Workspace Settings section. Find the option for Workspace Backups. Initiate a new backup of the workspace. Monitor the progress of the backup process. Once the backup is complete, download the backup file to your local storage. Store these files securely in a separate location. Review the backup files periodically to ensure they remain accessible and intact. Regularly schedule future exports and workspace backups to manage your data efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.